Hello everyone, in this video we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on the matrices. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question, given that A is 3 cross 3 matrix such that A plus A transpose is equal to 0, that means A is Q symmetric matrix, and two conditions are given. A into multiply by this matrix is equal to this matrix, and A square by multiply by this matrix is equal to this matrix. And also one condition, this expression is equal to this expression where alpha, beta, gamma are the non-negative integer. Then asked what is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So first this condition A plus A transpose is equal to 0. That means A is equal to minus A transpose. This implies A is Q symmetric matrix, and also given that these two conditions. So we want to find the matrix of A. What is the actual the matrix A? So Q symmetric matrix, all the diagonal elements are 0. So we consider a matrix, arbitrary matrix, which is Q symmetric. The diagonal values are 0, that is 3 cross 3 matrix. So first you can write is 0 A B, so that is minus A 0, suppose that is C, that is minus B minus C 0, skew symmetric matrix. So that same things here, only minus sign are involved here. So similarly B C, that is minus B minus. So we apply these two condition on A. So first apply this condition, that is A multiply by matrix 1 minus 1 0, that is equal to this matrix 3 3 2. So we multiply A matrix by this matrix. So A matrix is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0, and 1 minus 1 0. This is equal to this matrix 3 3 2. So we multiply and then we get this matrix minus A minus A minus B plus, that is equal to this matrix 3 3 2. So this imply A minus A is equal to 3 and minus B plus C is equal to 2. So we compare both matrix elements. So that is equal to this matrix, this is equal to that element, this is equal to that element. So we get this. This implies A is equal to 3 and C minus B is equal to 2. So we number it 1. Next condition is A square multiplied by this matrix is equal to this matrix. So first we find what is the value of A square. So A square is equal to A multiplied by A, that is 0 A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. That same matrix A B minus A 0 C minus B minus C. So if we multiply this matrix, then we will get this matrix minus A square minus B square minus BC AC minus BC minus A square minus C square minus AB AC minus AB minus B square minus C square, that matrix. So we apply this condition, A square multiply by this matrix 1 minus 1 0 is equal to minus 3 19 minus 24. So we put the value of A square here. So A square is minus A square minus B square minus BC AC minus BC minus A square minus C square minus AB AC minus AB minus B square minus C square, multiply by this matrix 1 minus 1 0 is equal to minus 3 19 minus 24. So this implies this matrix minus A square minus B square plus BC minus BC plus C square plus A square AC plus AB. If we multiply these two matrix, then we get this matrix. So that it is equal to minus 3 19 minus 24. So now we compare each term of these two matrix. So that is equal to that value, that is equal to that value, that is equal to that value. So minus A square minus B square plus BC is equal to minus 3 minus BC plus A square plus C square is equal to 19, and AC plus AB is equal to minus 24. We numbering it 2. Our actual motive is to find the value of a, b, c. This value, this three value a, b and c. So from here equation 1 we got the value of a. Now next motive is to find the value of b and c. So we here one condition, c minus b is equal to 2. So now put value of a here. So if we common it a, that is c plus b is equal to minus 24. So this imply a is minus 3, a is 3, so that value is minus 3. So a is minus 3, so minus 3 c plus b is equal to 24 minus this imply c plus b is equal to 8. So using these two condition, now we have two condition, c plus b is equal to 8 and c minus b is equal to 2. So if we sum it, then 2c is equal to this minus b cancel, 2c is equal to 10. This implies c is equal to 5. So we put c is equal to 5 any of this equation, then we get the value of b. So c minus b is equal to 2. This implies 5 minus b is equal to 2. This implies 5 minus 2 is equal to b. Therefore b is equal to 3. So we got the value of a, b and c. So we can write our matrix A is equal to A matrix is equal to 0 minus 3 3 3 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0. So we got our matrix A. So if we see the question, our this expression is equal to this expression, so we need A plus identity. So now we find the value of a plus I. A plus I is equal to 0 minus 3. A matrix is this 3 0 5 minus 3 minus 5 0. So 3 by 3 identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So if we add these two matrix, then we get 1 minus 3 3 3 1 5 minus 3 minus 5 1. Now we find this expression. So this expression determinant of adjoint of 2 time adjoint of a plus a. So now we simplify the left hand side. So left hand side is given that determinant of adjoint of 2 adjoint a plus I. So we use here one formula we can write as a note, determinant of adjoint of any matrix. Suppose M matrix, M is square matrix n cross n, that is equal to determinant of M power n minus 1, and use another formula is determinant of k times, that is constant multiplier of this matrix, is equal to k power n into determinant of m. So using two formula we simplify this expression. So determinant of adjoint, so use first formula, so that is equal to determinant of this matrix power n minus 1. So determinant of 2 into adjoint of a plus I, this power n minus 1. N is 3 because this matrix A is 3 cross 3 matrix. So this matrix also 3 cross 3 matrix. So that is 3 minus 1 2. So now we use the second formula, determinant of constant multiple of matrix. So here determinant of constant multiple of some matrix. So we apply this formula. So 2 power n, n is 3. Here n is 3. N is equal to 3. So 2 power 3 into determinant of adjoint of a plus I to the power 2. So now we simplify it, 2 power cube, that is multiply by determinant of adjoint of a plus I power 2. So now we apply the formula 1 again here, this formula again use here. So determinant of adjoint of a plus I, so that is equal to 2 power cube multiply by determinant of a plus I power n minus 1, n minus 1 is equal to 2, that power 2. So now we need the value of determinant of a plus I. So next we find the value of a plus I. So we number it is equal to 3. So first we find the determinant of a plus I. Previously we find the value of this matrix a plus I, that is a plus I. So we find the determinant value. So 1 minus 3 3 3 1 5 minus 3 minus 5 1. Now we break it 1 plus 25. We break this through the first row. So 1 plus 25, next plus 3 into 3 plus 15 plus 3 into minus 15 plus 3. So that is equal to 26 plus 54 minus 36. So that is equal to 44. So now we put the value of here determinant of a plus I. So from 3, the value of this determinant of adjoint of 2 adjoint of a plus I is equal to 2 power q multiplied by determinant of a plus I, that is 44 whole square power square. So that is equal to 2 power q. So if you see the question, our question, this expression is equal to some 2 power alpha, 3 power beta and 11 power gamma. So we break all those number in 2, 3 and 11. So we can write 44 is equal to 4 into 11 square. So that is equal to 2 power cube, that is 4. We can write 2 square into 11 square, that is square. So 2 power cube 2 power 4 into 2 11 power 2, that is square. So 2 power 7 into 11 square square. So that is 2 power 14 multiplied by 11 power 4. So now we got this expression is equal to that value 2 power 14 into 11 power 4. So determinant of adjoint of 2 adjoint of a plus I is equal to, we got 2 power 14 multiply 11 power 4, and question given that is equal to 2 power alpha 3 power beta dot 11 power gamma. So now we compare this. If we here 3 is not here, so that means 3 power 0. So this implies alpha is equal to 14, beta is equal to 0 and gamma is equal to 4. In question asked what is the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma. So that is 14 plus 0 plus 4. So that is equal to 18. So we got our answer.